Hello, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay personal account to business or how you can upgrade to a business account. Now, I'm going to be showing you also the advantage of using a business account. Now, first thing you need to do, you want to search for ebay.com and just log in into your eBay account. And after that, you want to click on my eBay in the top right and then click on summary. Of course, you have to log in. I'm going to do that right now. So after you are in this page, you want to click on account here, and after that you want to click on personal information. Now, if you are eligible, I'm going to log in again into my account, and this is going to take on a few seconds. So just wait. And as you can see here, account type, it says here individual. And next to it, you will see edit button. Just click on it and then you will be able to select business account. And you have to add business information. They will ask you for some business information like where you are located and stuff like that. Very, very easy steps. You just need to click on edit. If you don't see here edit, that means you have a personal account. You haven't added the bank details to your eBay account. You haven't sold anything in the past. That's the reason why you don't see her edit button, okay? But if you have done already, like if you have sold, if you have some sales history and you have added everything, the bank account to your PayPal account, you will be able to see here edit button. By the way, if you have a new account, like newer, like a 3 weeks old account, just need to wait a few weeks and then you will be able to see the edit button, okay? So if you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just comment below your questions and I will try to reply to you with a solution. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.